11 things you can do to fix apps not updating in iOS 14. Reset app updates. Find the app icon you're updating on your iPhone or iPad and tap on it. You'll see a pause icon appear, and it will say paused under it. Wait for a few seconds and tap in it again to resume the update. Restart your device. Restarting your iPhone or iPad helps with minor and temporary issues that your devices might have encountered. It kills all running apps and everything that's draining your battery life in the background. Check if your device has enough storage. Go to Device Settings. Then go to General Settings. Tap on iPhone Storage. Check how much space you have left. If you don't have much space, delete unnecessary apps and files to free up your storage. Check your internet connection. If your internet connection is unstable or slow, you might experience problems updating apps. If possible, connect to a different Wi-Fi or use your cellular data. You can also try to restart your router. To do that, unplug it from a power source and wait for 10 seconds. Then plug it back in and connect to your network. Set date and time correctly. Go to Device Settings. Tap on General, then tap on Date and Time. Toggle to enable Set Automatically. Re-download the app. Go to Device Settings. Then go to General Settings. Tap on iPhone Storage. Find the app and tap on it. Then tap on Offload App. The button is usually blue. Tap on Offload App again to confirm the action. Tap on Delete App to remove it. Now all you need to do is to install the app again. Disable App Store restrictions. Go to Device Settings and tap on Screen Time. Then go to Content and Privacy Restrictions. Tap on iTunes and App Store Purchases. If next to installing apps, you see Don't Allow, tap on it and select Allow. Sign out and sign back into the App Store. Open the App Store. Tap on your account icon, located at the top right corner of the screen. At the bottom, tap on Sign Out. Then, enter your Apple ID credentials and tap on Sign In. Reset network settings. Go to your iOS device settings. Go to General Settings. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on Reset. Then, tap on Reset Network Settings. Update device software. Go to Device Settings. Tap on General, and go to Software Update. Wait for your device to search for updates and tap on Install if found any. Contact Apple Support. If absolutely nothing helps, the last thing you can do is to contact Apple Support. Thank you for watching.